Okay, here is warm-up number 52. All right, let's find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a regular heptagon. So first thing off the bat, you have to know that a heptagon has 7 sides. Okay, regular means all the sides and angles are going to be congruent. Okay, all right. So when we've got a regular polygon, for the sum of the interior angles, you can use this formula. The sum is going to be n minus 2 times 180, n being the number of sides here. Okay, so in this case, my sum is going to be 7 minus 2 times 180, and that's 5 times 180. Okay, and then I just multiply. 5 times 180 is 900. Okay, and that's the sum of the interior angles. You just have to know the formula, plug in the n. Okay? All right, next up, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon. So you've got sum of the interior angles of a polygon again. We're going to use this same formula. And they tell me the sum is 3,060 degrees, and we're going to classify the polygon by the number of sides. So working with the same formula, I'm going to plug in what I know. The sum, they tell me the sum, so the 3060 goes here. Okay? And if I can solve this for n is the number of sides, and that will help me to classify the polygon. Okay? So a lot of people will distribute the 180, which is totally fine. You can do that, but I kind of like to just divide both sides by 180. I just think it simplifies a little bit quicker, so that'll give me just n minus 2 on the right side of the equation. Okay, so let's see, 3060 divided by 180 comes out to 17. Okay, so if this were a test, the common wrong answer that I see is that it's a 17-sided polygon or a 17-gon, and people just took the 3060 and divided it by 180, and that's it. But you got to remember that's equal to n minus 2, so I still have to add 2 to both sides. And that means n is going to be 19. Okay, and I don't know the technical name for a 19-sided polygon, so let's just call that a 19-gon. Okay, there we go. All right, next up, hey, this is another convex polygon, and what I can do is use the same formula again. By the way, this isn't only for regular polygons, it's any convex polygons. So my sum equals n minus 2 times 180. Okay, n is the number of sides, so let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 sides here. Okay, that's going to come out to 540. Okay, so that's the sum of all of the interior angles, and now I can write a big equation. I can add up all these measures. So I had to do this little side problem first, but now I can say x plus 122, I'm going around this way, plus 100, plus 90, don't forget the 90 down there, plus 144. That all equals 540. See if I can get that in. Just got it in. Okay, I'm going to combine all these on the left side first, using a calculator because it's early in the morning right now. Okay, so 456. I get x plus 456 equals 540, and then I'm going to subtract 456 from both sides. And I get 84. So x should be 84. I don't need the degree symbol because it's just the number that goes in there. The degree symbol's already there. So that's what x would equal. Okay. The last problem's a little different. These aren't interior angles anymore. They're exterior angles. And when you have the exterior angles of any polygon, the sum is always 360 degrees. Doesn't matter how many sides it has or how many exterior angles there are. So I can just go straight to writing my equation. So x plus 90 plus 109 plus 73 is going to equal 360. Whoops. Okay, I'll add those up again. That comes out to 272 there on the left. And then subtract 272. And I've got 88. Okay, and that's it. That's the end of the warm-up. See you next time.